Welcome back to Coin Explorer. Today, we're diving deep into the story of a small coin that might be lying unnoticed in your collection. A coin that, believe it or not, could carry a value some only dream of. It's the 2009 South African 20-cent coin. Yes, that little copper-toned piece you might have passed by without a second glance. But what if I told you this coin could be one of the most quietly powerful collectibles of our time? What if this ordinary-looking coin turned out to be something extraordinary? Something with a story so rich and a value so unexpectedly high, it could rival luxury cars, properties, and more. Let's begin this journey. The coin itself. At first glance, the 2009 South African 20-cent coin looks modest, even forgettable. It's made of bronze-plated steel, giving it that deep golden-brown hue. It's lightweight, around 3.5 grams, and just under 20 millimeters in diameter. Not too flashy, not too big. On one side, the proud South African coat of arms is centered beneath the year 2009 and flanked by the word Africa on the left and Chipembe on the right, representing just two of South Africa's 11 official languages. On the reverse, a stunningly detailed design of a protea flower, the national flower of South Africa, crowned by the denomination 20 cents. It's beautiful in its simplicity. But beneath this modest exterior lies a world of intrigue and potential value that has stunned even seasoned collectors. The mystery begins. Let's wind back the clock. 2009 was not a particularly high-profile year in South African minting history. No commemorative issues, no bold announcements, just a routine mintage year for everyday coins. But as the years rolled on, something strange began to happen. Coin forums lit up. Collectors around the globe started noticing that some of these 2009 20-cent coins were different. Subtle differences, a shift in color tone, slight variations in design details. In some cases, even irregular weights or striking anomalies. These weren't errors you'd catch with the naked eye, but under a collector's loupe, they were unmistakable. Was it a rare die variety, a minting misalignment? Or, as some began to speculate, a limited batch that never made it into mainstream circulation? That's when whispers of value began to circulate. Some collectors in the community began trading these coins quietly for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. And then, the real bombshell. A certified version of the 2009 20-cent coin, authenticated by a top grading authority and preserved in near-mint condition, was estimated by a private auction house to have a potential collector value in the tens of thousands, and possibly much more. Why the value? Now, before we go any further, let's be clear. The South African Mint has never officially confirmed that any special version of this coin exists. But in the world of numismatics, official statements aren't the only thing that matters. What truly moves the market is rarity, story, and obsession. And the 2009 20-cent coin? It has all three. Let's break it down. Rarity. While millions of 20-cent coins are struck annually, die variations, minting errors, and unusually preserved specimens are exceptionally rare, especially those that slip into circulation unnoticed. Story. 2009 wasn't just any year, it marked a turning point for South Africa, sitting between the presidencies of Thabo Mbeki and Jacob Zuma. A period of political shift and economic challenge. Coins minted during transition periods often attract more collector attention because they carry the aura of change and uncertainty. Obsession. Coin collectors are nothing if not passionate. They chase anomalies like treasure hunters, and when a potential rarity emerges, like this one, the demand surges. And in some private sales, that demand has translated into 4- and even 5-figure transactions. An unexpected find. Let me share a true story that rocked the collecting world. In 2021, a retired teacher in Cape Town stumbled upon an old coin pouch while cleaning out her late father's study. Inside, among dozens of common coins, was a 2009 20-cent piece. At first, she dismissed it, but a faint irregularity in the strike caught her eye. She reached out to a local collector, who suggested professional grading. The result? The coin was certified at MS-67, an exceptionally high grade for a circulation coin. What made it more shocking was the subtle reverse die misalignment confirmed by graders, a minting inconsistency almost unheard of in this series. Within weeks, an overseas collector from Canada offered her nearly $75,000 for the coin in a private sale. She accepted. That single find changed her life. What to look for? So now you're asking, could I have one of these rare coins? And the answer is simple. Maybe. The 2009 20-cent isn't known for a single defining feature that screams rarity. Instead, it's about subtle variations, slight weight differences, visual off-centers, faint die cracks, or unusually deep detail in the protea flower. Even the language inscription can make a difference. Some believe that the Chipembe variant may have had fewer mints compared to others. Check the following. Look for coins with unusually sharp detail, deeper grooves, bolder text. Inspect the edges. Smooth or reeded inconsistencies can suggest something rare. Observe the color. Some rare specimens show unusual patina due to plancher issues. Compare weight. Authentic bronze-plated steel should weigh approximately 3.5 grams. Any deviations could be significant. The power of grading. Here's where things get serious. You might hold a rare coin, but without professional grading, it's just another penny to the world. Grading services like PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company, don't just confirm authenticity. They assign value. A coin graded at MS-65 or above becomes a high-grade collectible, and a high-grade coin with an anomaly? That's the jackpot. Several 2009 20-cent coins have been submitted in recent years. A few have reached grades of MS-66 and MS-67, numbers that attract deep-pocketed collectors. Some of these coins have sold through private numismatic networks for estimated prices that climb well into five-figure territory. Global market interest. Here's what's wild. Interest in this coin isn't limited to South Africa. Collectors from Canada, Australia, the UK, and even Southeast Asia have shown increasing fascination. The protea design, elegant and uniquely African, adds to its global charm. Combine that with minting mystery and scarce condition examples, and you've got a coin that appeals across continents. Some speculate that a flawless 2009 20-cent, with a unique variation and top-tier grading, could reach six figures in a competitive international auction. No official listings have hit that mark, but the private market is alive with whispers. Coin as culture. Beyond the metal and the money, what makes the 2009 20-cent coin special is its role as a cultural time capsule. Coins are history, their identity. They mark the passage of time and evolution of nations. This one, in particular, reflects a moment of quiet transition, a pause between eras, captured in steel and copper. It's easy to overlook, but sometimes the things we overlook become the most valuable. Could you own one? So, could one of these treasures be in your possession? Open that old drawer. Check that forgotten coin jar. Look through your inherited collections. That humble 20-cent might just be a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered, studied, and celebrated. And even if you don't find a five-figure rarity, remember this: the thrill of the hunt is a treasure in itself. Thanks for joining us on this journey into numismatic mystery and potential. If stories like this spark your curiosity, smash that like button, subscribe for more amazing coin discoveries, and share this video with your fellow collectors. Because sometimes, the smallest coins carry the biggest stories, and who knows, your next find might just change everything.